Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been doing my own lash extensions, so I wanted to show you guys how I do them. Instead of going and paying like $100, $200 for a full set, I just do it myself. And it's really easy. I order everything from Amazon. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys how I do it. It's really not that hard. I've been practicing a lot, so that's why I know how to do it now. So I'm going to show you guys all the tools that I have and which glue I use. I've tried a lot of different glues, but this one is my favorite. So it's Stacy Lash Extra Strong, and it's a bottle like this, and you just shake it before you use it. So I would just shake it. And then I also have a lash shampoo. I'm not going to use it right now, but I do use it to clean my lashes. And then I have these two tweezers. I love pink, so that's why they're pink. And then the lashes that I use are 14. So they're 14 millimeters, and then the brand is called Quell. And I do have a few different other brands. This one is Tea Dance, and then this one is, I don't know how to say this, but you could just look at that. So yeah, I'm going to first start off with the 14, especially on the outer and the middle. I have lash extensions on right now, but I need a fill, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I also use tape, and this is like the tape that I use to put my glue on so it doesn't stain like my counters and stuff. And then I also will use this when I'm having a hard time seeing my lashes. So I'll just tape it, tape my eye a little bit higher so I can see all the like little lashes. And I'll show you guys how I do that too. So first I'm gonna take a piece and put it on the counter so I can put my glue on there. I just fold it a few times so it doesn't leak through. And then I'll tape it down so it doesn't move and leak everywhere. Now I'm going to go ahead and shake the lash glue because you have to shake it for it to work good. And make sure you shake it like for at least like 30 seconds so it's not watery, because sometimes when you squeeze like a drop out, it'll be watery and then that won't stick good. And then I also just have one of my mascara wands, and I just cleaned it and washed it, so I just use this to brush my lashes out. And then I have a mirror right here, and it's like one of those magnified mirrors, so it shows me close up. That's what you're going to need too, so you can see every little hair when you do it, so you know you're not like missing them or gluing them together. So first I'm going to shake it and then put a drop on my tape. Okay, and then I take my tape, and since I have lashes on now, I'm going to have to tape it a little bit just so I can see the lashes that don't have any lash extensions on them. So I'm going to show you guys how I tape my eye. So I just take a piece of tape this long, and then I put it in the middle of my eye, press down on your eyelid, and then lift it however much you want. I don't need to lift it that much. Like this is good, and just make sure it holds tight. Like that. So I can see all the like lashes, and it'll be easier for me to do it. And I'm going to start with the 14 millimeter. So I basically just grab a lash. I grab a lash using this tweezer, and then make sure you hold the lash like this. You're going to want to dip just the end of it into the glue, and then go ahead and use this tweezer to separate your lashes. And one thing I love about this glue is that it dries so quick. So like once you put it on, your lashes won't all get stuck together. But another thing is you also have to use it fast. So like once you dip your lash in the glue, you have to do it real quick or else it'll dry on the lash and it won't stick. So they are going to get stuck together. But you could just like spread them apart with the tweezers. Make sure you don't pull out any of your real lashes. And I just use the 14 millimeters throughout my whole lashes, like from here to, I would say, right here. And then from there to here, I use the smaller ones, just so it's not that dramatic. But I'm going to show you guys how my lashes look right now. And I told you like how to do them. It's really simple. And just make sure you don't get any glue like in your eye. I haven't. Sometimes my eyes will water if the glue gets close to my eye, but I have not got any glue in my eye or anything like that. For me, it's been safe so far. A lot of people say that doing them yourself is not safe, but I haven't had any issues. And if you don't feel comfortable, then just don't do them yourself. But this is for people who like love to do things themselves. Like I do my nails myself, my hair. I do everything myself anyways, so I'm just so used to it and I just get the hang of things really quick. I'm gonna finish this lash and I'll show you guys how it looks. So this is it right now. And I'll show you guys how it looks when I'm done. Okay, so I'm almost done with this eye. I know I said I was gonna come back when I was done, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks so far. And then I just have the few, like, I'm gonna put like 10 and 11 up here. So this is how it looks so far. This is before. I haven't done this eye yet. So I'm going to show you how I do just the inner corner. So I'm going to take an 11. It's really short. Dip just the tip a little bit. And then just separate your lashes. I mean, I don't have a lot of lashes in my inner corner, so it's kind of hard for me to even find lashes to stick the smaller ones on. So if it doesn't look bad, you could just leave it and like it'll go from short to long, which it really doesn't look that bad. But I'm going to try to put smaller ones on the inside so it doesn't look like I just don't have anything there. So I'm going to use this and use the 8. And honestly, at this point, I think I'm just going to do it just so it looks fuller. Okay, so this is how they look now. And I'm going to take off the tape so you guys can actually see how they look. I'm going to brush them real quick. And then when the tape is off, I'll still like look if I have any like empty spots and I'll fill it in like without the tape. So you can even just do your lashes without the tape if you can see everything clearly. So this is how they look. This is the one that I still have to do. What do you guys think? I think they make such a big difference. And like when I don't have lash extensions, now I feel like naked, like my face doesn't look right. It just makes such a big difference. Like look at this eye and then look at this eye. Okay, I love them. So I'm going to do this eye off camera and then I'll show you guys how they look when I'm done. Okay, so I just finished my other eye. I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off. Wow, that did take long, but I think it was worth it. I'm going to show you guys how they look. This is how they look now. So I just saved like, what, $100 to $200 doing my own lashes. I hope you guys learned from this video. And if you have any questions or want to see how I actually start a full set, let me know. I'll make another video about it. And you know, I'm not a professional. I've never got licensed to do lash extensions. I just learn on my own. I just do my own lashes. But if you guys have any other questions, just let me know. If you guys think this is unsafe, then I wouldn't recommend you to do it yourself. But if you're good at like doing all these beauty things, then you can try. But be careful with the glue because I know that if it gets in your eye, it could cause like serious damage. So yeah, just be careful. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. And if you guys want more videos about how I do my own lash extensions, let me know and I'll make them for you. Thank you for watching. Love you guys.